much and not getting the quality you deserve? Do your models look sad and cry out for colour? Then look no further, because here at Outback Mini Models we use and recommend SMS paints, tools and accessories for the modeler by the modeler. Click the link below to order online or find a stockist near you. SMS, the Scale Modeler Supply, Australia's #1 scale model paint.
Hey guys, got a little quick unboxing video. We've got a 1/100 scale ZVEZDA JAGDTIGER, okay? So it's a kit, I believe, out of the Art of Tactics series. So if you're interested, there's a website, www.artoftactic.ru. So I believe that's Russia. Correct me if I'm wrong. So if you are watching this, you are in Russia, just say yep. There's the back of the box is what the model looks like, and it says it's 10.7 centimeters long, consists of 23 parts. All right, so, and that's, what's the kit number on this? Kit number is 6206. All right, so, right, let's have a look. Pretty cool box art on the front. Let's get our hobby knife, carefully cut these out because these kits aren't mine, these are Heather's. So we're going to carefully cut this tape. All right. But she said I can open these bags. So, all right. The instruction book. I was about to say instruction book. The instruction page. Okay, it's one piece of paper. We've got Russian, English, and what's that? German. All right. And there's English. All right. So 6206 kit number. And on the back we have the instructions. All right, so pretty quick build. All right, so what did we say? It had 23 parts. All right, so there it is there. If you want to hit pause and have a look, be my guest, you're free to do so. All right, so here's the kit itself, and it comes in one bag. All right, so we're gonna slice this bag open carefully, not to slice our fingers off during the process. All right, look at this sprue. All right, so we've got the top of the deck here, where we have everything from all the intakes, the fans, and what I forgot to mention in all my other videos that I've done for these kits. So far, I have not seen decals. Okay, so either gonna have to print your own, or you're gonna have to get whether you're really good with a paintbrush, you have to paint on your own insignias, or whether you can get a 1/100 scale. If I don't even know if they make them, like a photo etch stencil sheet. You're going to have to source that. That is just something that, yeah, I just sort of keep...
I think it's that.
What is it?
Issue.
Okay.
Because some
all right.
do.
All right, so Heather's we're going to have a quick look at something else here. She's currently building this, okay? So this is the 1/100 scale, the M155, okay, the howitzer. Oh, no, US 155 millimeter. Sorry, it's a 155 mil howitzer, self-propelled howitzer M109A2. Okay, but it's got something else here. It says hot war. We don't know what that is. Like I said, we have no idea. But it does have the Art of Tactic on the back. But this comes with decals. Okay, so why this? So why this comes with decals? So if you the black, there's a black box series. So in this series, there's black boxes, green boxes, and I think that's it. It says grey boxes. So all these ones we're reviewing are the grey boxes, and there's also brown, tan boxes, and they're the 172. They're the 172 scales. But yeah, so they have decals. These ones don't. I've reviewed like the last 3. So I've reviewed the mouse so the mouse does not have decals. The Jag Panther doesn't have decals. The JAGDTIGER, which is what we're looking at now, doesn't have decals. Okay, so they're all grey boxes, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so none of these kits have decals. But these are, as I said, snap fit. So these are all the snap fit. This is like the what would you call that? The frame, I guess. That everything sort of clicks together. But just be careful, okay? And this has come from Heather herself. That while she's been building some of the other snap fit kits, either some of these break, or the holes are too tight, or whatever, the frames break. So just be careful when assembling these. You may have to sort of test fit, drill holes out, but then at the end what she's done is she's just given away with the frame and it's just assembled everything and glued it as we normally would as modelers. So I mean, that's something that's up to you if you want to do so. But the details you can see here on the lower suspension, on the running gear, on the swing arms and everything, there's actually like bolt detail, nut and bolt details. And for such a small scale to see so much detail on this is really, really cool, guys. But then we've got things like, I mean, look at the detail on the back. And that's the other thing I forgot to mention too, photo etch. If you're building like 1/35th scale armor, as most of us guys, and that's what I build. That's what's you're mostly going to see on this channel is 1/35th scale. But so you normally get photo etch in the 35th scale kits if you don't know what I'm talking about. So this one here, you don't get it now. You're gonna have to probably source something. What I was thinking is it may work. Just let me find it. I mean, as you guys know, I vape. Okay, so you can get this stuff. It's mesh wire. It's just a strip that you can buy. Like, it's just for vaping. So it's fine enough. It's a lot finer than a photo etch grill that you would find. Like, you can see how fine it is. So that may work if you got really fine scissors. You can cut it off and then you can glue it on there. That could probably work, guys. So that's just a little thing that you could do, because I'm telling you right now, there's no photo etch in these kits. There's just all right. So that's that. There's the back with the exhaust. So yeah, how careful you are with the drill bit. You can drill those out, or you just paint it black. I mean, that's the other thing. And these are flags. I've noticed with all these kits too, you get this flag. I have no idea. Like, do you paint a flag on there? Is that like a shot at vehicle? Is that to mark your team? I have no idea. But all these Art of Tactic kits, I'm seeing you get this flag. So I'm thinking that you stick it on the bottom of the vehicle. So there's a hole there. That's the bottom of the vehicle. So yeah, who knows? But we're not gonna. Well, Heather's not gonna put them on there. She's just sort of building the vehicles as we normally would, paint them up, weather them up, and yeah, put a little base on it. Here's the second sprue. We've got the side skirt, or the fenders. We've got the cable detail. We've also got spare track detail. Okay, so I'm going to bring you in really, really close so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see the track detail there. All right, we've got looks like a rear loader's hatch, or escape hatch, rear loader's hatch on the back there. We've got top of the superstructure. We've got the cupola, or the cupola, depends on how you want to say it. Looks like we've also got the rear fenders. Okay, the rear mud guards on the back. The tracks look really cool, but on so on the back you can see the tracks. There's a mold line, and it happens. It's with all these kits that I've seen so far. I've had a look at about 5 or 6 of these kits so far, and they all have this mold line or the join. So it's not going to be an easy cleanup. It's not going to be just grab a sanding stick or a piece of sandpaper and sand it. You're going to have to use a hobby knife or something just to go between the tracks, and it's just corrugated all the way through. But luckily it's not a big piece, so it's not going to take you that long. It's just going to be tedious, that's all. So yeah, so there's the front where the barrel comes out, and the barrel itself is there. I forgot to show you the barrel. It looks like part of the sprue. So there's the barrel itself. So you're going to cut that off there. You're going to cut it there and there. Also, there's a little holding sort of tab there. But you are going to drill the barrel out if you're going to want barrel detail. Okay, the muzzle detail. So guys, So that is the what's in the box video for this 1/100 scale ZVEZDA JAGDTIGER. So as always, don't forget to like this video. If you liked it, just thumbs down. If you didn't like it, if you're new here to Outback, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when we post a new video, you'll be the first to know about it. So as always, guys, thank you very much for stopping by, and I'll catch you next time here at Outback Mini Models. Catch you, fellas. Bye bye.